What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So, you just got your hands on the stunning new iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's a masterpiece of technology, and a masterpiece of fragility. That first tiny scratch is a heartbreak we all want to avoid. But with a million cases out there, how do you choose? Well, I've done the hard work for you. Today, we're putting 4 of the most popular and interesting cases for the iPhone 17 Pro Max through their paces. We're talking drop protection, MagSafe, clarity, and even the secret stand. This is the only case review you'll need to watch. Let's get into it. Before we look at each case, here's what we're testing for. Protection. Obviously, we're looking for military-grade claims and shockproof edges. Clarity and anti-yellowing. Will that crystal clear look last? MagSafe strength. A weak magnet is a deal breaker. Design and grip. How does it feel in your hand? Unique features. What makes each one stand out? Before we look at each case, here's what we're testing for. Protection. Obviously, we're looking for military-grade claims and shockproof edges. Clarity and anti-yellowing. Will that crystal clear look last? MagSafe strength. A weak magnet is a deal breaker. Design and grip. How does it feel in your hand? Unique features. What makes each one stand out? CANSHN magnetic case. First up, the CANSHN magnetic case in deep blue. Right out of the box, you notice this beautiful translucent matte finish. It feels premium and resists fingerprints amazingly well. The big selling point here is the upgraded full camera protection. Look at this, it has a raised lip that's significantly higher than the camera bump. This means when you lay your phone down, the metal camera rim never touches the surface. For anyone paranoid about scratching those priceless lenses, this is a massive win. The MagSafe is strong. My wallet accessory snaps on with a satisfying click and holds firm. The grip is good, not great, but the overall feel is very solid. If you want a color tint and top-tier camera protection, the CANSHN is a fantastic starting point. Kasaku Crystal Clear. Next, the Kasaku Crystal Clear. Kasaku is shouting from the rooftops about their patented anti-yellow and virgin TPU material. Now, we can't test long-term yellowing in one video, but I can tell you the clarity on this is exceptional. It's like the iPhone is naked. It also boasts 15 FT military-grade drop protection. That's 5 more feet than the standard military rating. The edges have extra air cushion technology, which we'll test later. The feel is a tad more rigid than the CANSHN, but it's still slim. This case is for the purist who wants to show off their phone's color and is maybe a little accident-prone. It's a very confident package. Spigen Ultra Hybrid. Now, we have the heavyweight contender, the Spigen Ultra Hybrid. Spigen is a legend in the case game, and for good reason. You'll immediately notice the build quality. But the coolest feature? Look at the camera control area. Unlike the others that have an open cutout, Spigen covers the new customizable camera button with a responsive tactile TPU cover. It keeps dust out and makes using the button more comfortable. They also promise anti-yellowing, and their MagFit system is, as expected, flawless. The magnets are among the strongest here. This case feels like a perfect blend. The invisible O-ring stand case. And finally, the mystery case with no big brand name, but a killer feature. At first glance, it looks like another sleek translucent case with great grip. But wait, what's this? Host pops out the invisible O-ring stand from the back. Boom. A built-in kickstand. This is so clever. It's completely invisible when not in use, maintaining the clean look. Want to watch a video hands-free at lunch? Or follow a recipe in the kitchen? This feature alone might be the deciding factor for many of you. It's also MagSafe compatible, and the grip is honestly fantastic. A true dark horse in this competition. So, which one should you buy? Here's my final verdict. For the best value and camera protection, the CANSHN magnetic is hard to beat. That full camera guard is a real peace of mind feature. For the purist who demands maximum clarity and protection, the Kasaku with its anti-yellowing promise and 15 feet rating is your winner. For the no-compromise user who loves smart design, the Spigen Ultra Hybrid is the premium choice. That covered camera button is a game changer. For the entertainment and multitasker, the O-ring stand case is your best friend. The convenience of a hidden stand is just unbeatable. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. It all comes down to your personal priority. I'll leave links down in the description for you to check them all out and find the one that's perfect for you. If this review saved you time and helped your decision, do me a huge favor, smash that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments. Which of these 4 cases are you going for? I read every single comment. And if you found this helpful, please share it with a friend who just got a new iPhone. That really helps the channel out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.